Hello everyone. Here I am going to discussing about variables and constants in C program. What is a variable? It is a data name that may be used to store a data value. A variable may take different values at different times during execution. A variable name can be chosen by the programmer in a meaningful way so as to reflect its function or its nature in the program. Rules of naming variables. Variable names may consist of letters, digits, and underscore character. First character must be an alphabet or an underscore. Length of the variable cannot be exceed 8 characters. But in some compilers, it can take up to 31 characters. Whitespace is not allowed. Variable name should not be a keyword. Uppercase and lowercase letters are significant. These are the rules for naming variables. Here is the examples. Here, mark someone total underscore value Delhi. These are the valid examples of variables. Price dollar group space 1 char. These are the invalid variable names. Declaring a variables. Declaring of variables. Declaring does two things. It tells the compiler what the variable name is. It specifies what type of data that variable will hold. The declaration of variable must be done before they are used in the C program. The syntax for declaring a variable is as follows. The syntax is data type space variable name. That means v1, v2, v3 and so on vn. For example, int count. Here I can use one variable only. Int is a data type and count is a variable name. In the second example, I can take two variables, number and total. Int is a data type. So these are the examples of declaration of variables. Next, initialization of a variable. Initialize a variable in C is to assign it a starting value. C does not initialize variables automatically. So if you do not initialize them properly, you can get unexpected results. Fortunately, C makes it easy to initialize variables when you declare them. For example, int x is equal to 45. I can initialize the 45 value to x. So I can write int x is equal to 45. Next, constants in C. C constants is the most fundamental and essential part of the C programming language. Constants in C are the fixed values that are used in a program. Its value remains the same during the entire execution of the program. That means once in the program, once you have to declare a constant value, you can use the entire program. Constants are also called literals. Constants can maybe any of the data types. It is considered best practice to define constant using only uppercase names. The diagram represents type of constants. In this constant, we are having two types, numeric constants and character constants. In numeric constants, again, it will be divided into two types, integer constants and real constants. In character constants, we are having single character constant and string constant. Type of C constants, integer constants, real constants, character constants, and string constants. First one is integer constants. An integer constant refers to a sequence of bits, sequence of digits. There are three types of integers, namely decimal integer, octal integer, and hexadecimal integer. Here is the examples for integer constants. 426 plus 786 minus 34. This is the example for decimal integer. Next one is octal integers. Last one is the example for hexadecimal integers. These are the examples for integer constants. Next, real constant. These quantities are represented by numbers containing fractional parts like 18.234. Such numbers are called real constants. Examples of real constant is 3 to 5.34, 22.0. These are the examples of real constants. Next, single character constants. Single character constants contains a single characters enclosed with a pair of single quote marks. Here is the examples for single character constants. Next, backslash character constants. C supports some special backslash character constants that are used in output functions. Some of the backslash character constants are as follows. Slash n means new line, slash r carriage return, slash f form fit, slash t horizontal tab, slash a alert, slash b backspace, slash o null, slash v vertical tab, double slash backslash, slash single quote, slash double quote. These are all the backslash character constants. Next, string constants. String constant contain a group of characters enclosed with a pair of double quote marks. For example, within the quotes hi and within the quotes hello. These are all the examples of string constants. Using constant keyword for constants. Const is a type qualifier in C. A keyword applied to a data type that indicates that the data is read only. The qualifier const can be applied to the declaration of any variable to specify that its value will not be changed. Syntax is const data type, name of constant is equal to value. Example is const int x is equal to 10. Thank you very much.